Okay, so Cinema Debrid has been updated. It now has Debrid Manager instead of Account Manager. There is a video link in the video. There is a video link in the video description called Uncut, and that shows you how to install it. Which you install it by first installing a Kodi fork, the cinema one. Alright, so if any of you guys don't understand, yeah. So I believe that using your official Kodi app, that's for you to install your own, or to make your own build, or even just install the add-ons that you need or you use. I believe Kodi forks is for people to sort of try out different builds, see what's going on, or even just be like me. I only use Kodi forks. I don't even use the official app. So yeah. So like I said, the only difference with Cinema Debrid is that, oh yeah, I think some extra add-ons have been installed. I think it's got about 5. So you got 2 scrapers. You got the umbrella, which is the top end scraper add-on, and then you got Exodus Genesis style scraper add-on, and then you got, I think, 1, 2, 3 one-click add-ons. So that's what it basically is, a movie TV show build. There is another build called Debrid. No, there's another build called Cinema by itself, and that's just a non-Debrid build, which you can get using the same Kodi fork. So, and there's another one as well called Cinema Flicks. So yeah, you've got 3 to choose from. So check it out. Yeah, let us know how you get on. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.